Welcome. This part of the course is all about the physical techniques. Quick recap, the totality of this course has four parts. The physical, sidestepping danger, dealing with the aftermath of an assault, and easy street, living your best life. Well, this section then is all about the battle, defending yourself. Now, you've tried to get away, you cannot. They've laid hands on you and you have no choice but to use force to stop them. The moves here are fast to learn, effective enough to stop any attacker no matter how large or aggressive they are. And you don't need experience. We're going to start at zero and give you everything you need, and it won't take long. This is what you'll find in this section. First, we're going to show you a few simple, very effective moves. And then we're going to show you how to use those moves in any situation against any attack. And third, to help you act fast under high stress without freezing, we're going to give you what we call the survival mindset. Think of it as your will to live, to move and keep moving, to do whatever it takes to protect yourself and get safe. And as always, every video is captioned in case you need to be quiet. Let's go to the next video.